guys, welcome back to another grocery haul. Today I'm actually at Lidl doing our weekly grocery shopping. I have not been here in a very long time. If you want to check out my first impression video, I'll have that link down below and I'll have it up in the corner for you as well. I think I've really only been to Lidl like one other time since then. Honestly, the only reason is because I'm just so comfortable with Aldi and I'm familiar with the store and I can get in and out super fast. I know where everything is. So, but I do want to check out the produce here, and I know they have a little bit more than Aldi has, at least my Aldi. I got my weekly grocery list, got my bags. I might get a few shots what I'm seeing in the store, but as always, once I get back to the house, I'll go over everything with you and I'll go over the prices and the total at the end. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, well I'm back from the store. I've got everything laid out that I picked up from Lidl, and I will have the prices in the corner for you as I go over it, and I'll have the total at the very end. And a lot of this is stuff that the girls requested because they're going to be with us this week. There were a few things that I was not able to get there, which I'll just get somewhere else, so that's fine. But let's go ahead and I'll flip you guys around and we'll get started. I'm gonna start over here. So I picked up these beautiful little miniature roses at Lidl. I got a purple one and a pink one. Just in time for Easter. I'm gonna give one to my mother-in-law and one to my mama. And I went ahead and got the bread at Lidl. I know 200% I can get this cheaper at Aldi, but I went ahead and just picked it up while I was there. It's the whole wheat bread. I know at Aldi, like at least here in South Carolina, that currently it's like 89 cents for a loaf. So this was, I believe, like $1 something. I can't remember, but I'll have the total for you. So I went ahead and grabbed 2 of those while I was there. And then back here, I got some cereal for this week. I got the Lidl brand of the Cinnamon Crunchies cereal, which is like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I like rice squares, so I got a box of that. Frosted shredded wheat. I got the apple cinnamon instant oatmeal. Some chocolate chip chewy bars. Some protein bars. This one's the dark chocolate with the peanut butter. Some bananas. We needed some brown mustard, the spicy brown mustard. I got buns and hot dogs. So I got the classic jumbo franks with some hot dog buns. I got the on-the-go tubes. This one's the strawberry and vanilla. And I like Activia, so I went ahead and got that for myself. I'm going to try these seltzer waters. I've never tried these. Raspberry lime, and then we got the orange vanilla. And I got all the cheeses. We are fans of Colby Jack in all different ways. So I got the shredded Colby Jack, Swiss cheese, Colby Jack sliced for sandwiches. We got the Colby Jack cubes, some eggs, I got some thin spaghetti. This was the last box. I actually needed 2 boxes, but I went ahead and grabbed this because it was all they had. A gallon of whole milk. 2 cans of black beans. I got 4 bags of the steamable broccoli. And tonight I'm going to make brownies to take over to my mom's. So we're going to have ice cream and brownies for dessert. So I got that to take over there. And I got crinkle cut fries. The girls requested. I got a big box of waffles, 24 waffles. And the last thing back here was the Welch's. I got the berries and cherries fruit pouches of the little fruit snacks for Reese and the girls if they want some too. So that is it. It's not much today. But like I said, there was some things that I knew I could get for a little bit less somewhere else. Like for example, the salmon and the chicken and things like that. I will just have to make another stop, but that is a-okay. Sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment and subscribe if you're new. I would love for you to join my YouTube family, and until next time, I will see you on the next video. Bye.